Want to learn how to airbrush your sneakers in a minute?
Mix the paint color of your choice in a 1-to-1 ratio with 2-thin. 2-thin is a paint thinner that allows paint to spray out of the airbrush smoothly. Tape off any of the areas you don't want to get paint on. Taping is super important, so take your time with it. After the first coat, I like heat setting it just to lock in the paint before applying more layers. The goal is to spray coat slightly to avoid oversaturating the shoe. To do this, pull the airbrush trigger back lightly and avoid staying in one spot too long. I like doing 3 coats to ensure consistent color, but anywhere from 2 to 3 is usually fine. If you feel like 3 doesn't have enough saturation, you can do a very light 4th coat. When you remove the tape from airbrushing, there are usually some spots in the corners that still need a little bit of detail brush work. Go back in with a detail brush and just touch up all the corners to make everything look factory. After you're done with the detail brush work, use the finisher of your choice and mix it in a 1-to-1 ratio with 2-thin. Apply it the same way you just applied the paint, very thinly, and mist it over the sneaker. Usually 2 coats is good enough, especially with 4 coat. And there you have it. Subscribe if you're into custom sneaker content.